Hi, this is Mark with Brand Source Service, and today we're going to show you how to tear down your oven door. There's multiple reasons to do it, whether it is a broken or shattered glass door, or you just want to clean inside because something spilled in there, or maybe when you're cleaning it you sprayed some stuff inside. Alright, so people tear down their oven door for multiple reasons. One could be maybe you've shattered the glass, something's run into it, or maybe you put a cleaner on the inside and the heat didn't get along with it and just shattered the inside of the glass. Other things that could happen is you have some vents up top here, and they are designed to vent the warm air out and relieve pressure. So when you're cleaning, try not to spray inside there directly, otherwise it may drip in between your glasses. First step in removing your oven door is you just open the door. Then you have these little safety tabs on the side, so you can just take a little flathead and flip those up on each side. Now you're just basically going to try to close the door. The tabs will stop you. You're going to lift up and off. Now we can set our oven door down. Right, now that we have the door removed, our next step is to remove the screws for the handle. And then the bottom screws that hold on the outer door. And then we'll be able to separate the door. These other screws just hold on the hinges, so we do not want to remove those. We remove those 5 screws, we can separate the door. You just want to be careful as though no glass falls out. So this is your outer door glass, and to remove that we would just remove these 2 screws, these 4 screws, and the whole glass would pop out. You just have to pop this frame out. But now you can actually access to clean. You can see there's some lines on here. I'm not sure if that's going to show up in our video. I'm going to set this aside. Now our other door. As you can see, you have a glass panel here and another one on the inside of the door. So to remove this panel, you would just remove these screws, pull these brackets off, and you can replace this. Now you have access to your hinges. And the hinges be removed by removing these screws right here on each side. And these hinges are interchangeable, so there's no left or right. They're just the same item on each one. And then to get to this inner glass here, we would flip the door back over. We would proceed to remove the inner glass. And then there's a couple screws around the edges. You remove those, remove this panel, and you have access to your other glass. And then you can just watch the video and rewind to put it back together. Thank you, and stay tuned for more videos weekly.